on that thing?
That's Josh's truck.
Probably
that
is.
Was probably his truck. It is. I called him. That is his truck.
I'm glad mine's coming, but it ain't come for 2 weeks. I'm glad mine ain't.
Kind of cool.
Wait, is that a 3/4 ton? Yeah, that's good.
Well, I guess Josh ain't getting his turn today,
He just texted her and said, he just told me.
Oh, look at the nice one underneath of it. There's mine. I wish.
She might be.
I gotta send this picture.
Josh could always call Gordy and see what Gordy can do to it.
Oh my God, could you imagine?
Gordy got a new truck. It's on the trailer. It's total. Fix it?
I can't believe the building didn't come down, Lars.
I'm amazed.